Today I'm going to teach you the steps you need to know to deep clean your oven using baking soda. Traditional oven cleaners are full of harsh chemicals that you really don't want in your kitchen or around your family. However, we still need to clean that baked-on grime, and that can be difficult without using some store-bought chemical. The good news is I have a solution to your problem, and we will clean your oven without anything harsh for the environment. We will be using baking soda. The first thing you need to do is remove all the racks and the liners at the bottom of your oven. And then use a vacuum or sweep out any debris and crumbs that you can get. Make sure that you remove all of the loose stuff at the bottom and the cracks and crevices. Now, get out your baking soda. Coat the entire oven with it. You want to make sure you really get the sides and the bottom. Focus on the heavily soiled areas and be sure to get that back wall where you cooked a pizza a year ago and you still have a hunk of cheese burnt. I know it's not very easy to get a dry powder to stick to oven walls. However, the next step is to get a spray bottle with water and start spritzing the baking soda. So if you're having a hard time getting it to stick, spritz it a little bit and then dust your baking soda on. After your baking soda becomes damp, grab a clean sponge and start spraying it around. Make sure that you get all of the areas inside the oven. If you need to add more baking soda to be sure everything is covered, do so. Now, over the next 3 hours or so, continue using your spray bottle with the water and keeping the baking soda nice and wet. You want to make sure that the baking soda has a chance to do its job. Now comes the fun part. Personally, I use a plastic scraper, but a non-porous sponge with a little scrubby will work as well. Just start to scrape the baking soda away from your oven and watch all the dirt and grime and stuck on food come off very easily with the baking soda. After you've scraped off all that yuck, get some clean paper towels or rags and some water. You want to rinse and clean your entire oven now. Get all of that baking soda out that we put in and make sure that your oven walls and bottom are sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. If you still have an area with a stuck-on stain, do not coat your entire oven with baking soda again. Just focus on the burnt-on grime that's inside. You want to repeat these steps, but just in the spots that you need. Sometimes it does take a little longer to clean baked-on yuck that's been there for a long time. What are you waiting for? Go snap me a picture of your clean, sparkly oven and leave it for me down in the comments below. I would love to see how well this baking soda worked for you. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational cleaning and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.